Hi, welcome back to the garden. Didn't know you were going to show up today or not. I had quite a little bit of pie, and I didn't know if I was going to be working today. Well, today is Saturday, and you know what that means. We're going to take a quick look at this garden, then we're going to go to you and celebrate what's going on in your garden. And we got some great submissions from around the world. Speaking of that, let's go on down to Australia and check out Micks Garden. Mick's use of space and slug bait is keeping his garden green. And his corn looks like it's about ready to start making ears, and that's why we do it, because it tastes great. Mick, thank you, that's awesome. I've taken the rocks from around there, we've moved those out, so I just have this little bit. Once I get those rocks out of here, we're gonna be ready to full-on mulch. Let's go to Jamaica where it's warm. As we've been watching all summer, Marie can only grow in containers. Her soil is very poor where she's at, but she does a wonderful job. And again, this is why we do it, because it tastes great. Thank you, Marie, for the inspiration. Please leave a comment down below and let everybody know just how much you appreciate them sharing what's going on in their garden. And if you'd like to share what's going on in your garden, just email me at waylesmalley5@gmail.com. The address is in the description box below. I guarantee you all other gardeners would love to see what you're doing in your garden. Okay, our strategy here, obviously, is the new part of the garden needs to be much thicker than the rest of the garden. So, as I'm taking this rock out, that's our defining line. Kind of tie it in with the old garden into the new garden. But we've already started mulching around the plants that are up. So I'm just going to tie that in. And that freshens that up, puts another couple inches on top of it. While I go get another wheelbarrow load, let's go ahead and take a look at Walter. This is why we do it. Walter wanted to share the garnish they made for Thanksgiving dinner. He said it's hot, but it looks delicious. Homegrown peppers and other vegetables, that's why we do it, because it tastes great. Thank you, Walter. Walter, that looks hot, but it looks very tasty. I want to thank you for participating all summer long. We can't wait to see what you do next year. I know you're laying in your mulch too. If we work at it just a little at a time, we'll get it done. And there's a much bigger area here than I thought when I first laid out this fence. Well, you've been following my story. You know I like to bite off more than I can chew. Although we seem to get it done. We're going to be back out here tomorrow. We're going to talk a lot about the different kind of mulches and how to lay it down in your garden. I hope you join me for that. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.